So we all have come for a run today, and this is a very great initiative from VIDA. This is a very beautiful art piece.
I think it's quite well made, and it is basically endorses one of the great performance in running.
When anyone wants to buy the electric vehicles, the first thing comes in the mind that what will happen if the battery get discharged. And then this is very helpful that you can just remove and you can charge it anywhere.
We have rooted ourselves in what are the needs of the customer and what are the barriers to adoption. And these two batteries here symbolize one of them.
This installation is a great example of how riding can be as clean as running.
So the display is very nice. I like the shoes that scooter is wearing as of now.
It is a pivotal agent of change in the hand of the customers. And these customers, we call them change makers, because we believe any small act of change is the one which is the starting point of something with scale.